Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the headset has enough charge and a stable Wi-Fi connection, because firmware checks save trouble later. Once ready, put the headset on and press the system button to open the main menu. Navigate directly to Settings, then find Power or Battery options. This is where low power controls live. Make sure any active apps are paused. This avoids interruptions. Then proceed to the Power sub-menu to change the mode. You now enable the low power toggle and adjust the key limits. Lower display brightness, reduce refresh rate if available, and set an aggressive auto sleep timeout. Doing this reduces CPU and GPU load, which extends session time significantly, so you get more use between charges. Once you set those parameters, confirm or apply changes and allow the headset a moment to reconfigure active processes. If prompted, restart. Finish by running a brief playback or lightweight app to confirm the low power profile is active and effective. Watch battery percentage and thermal behavior. If you see expected savings, make it the default profile. If not, power cycle the headset, recheck firmware, and reapply the low power choices. Sometimes settings don't take until after a reboot. As a single troubleshooting tip, if drain persists, uninstall heavy background apps and retest, since rogue apps often negate battery optimizations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.